Here is how to configure and verify TikTok Pixel events using the Event Builder tool. In the Manage Configurations tab, check if the Enable Automatic Advanced Matching option is turned on. Click on Next. You will now be seeing the Setup Events tab. Click on Launch Event Builder. On your website, you will see a pop-up tab of Event Builder. Click on Add Event, select URL Visits, then click on Next. Select View Content and then write /products and confirm. Now your event will be created. After that, click on URL Visits again. Click Next, select Add to Cart, write down /cart. Now click on Confirm. Now go ahead and add another event. Select the same option as previously mentioned and select Purchase and write down /thank_you and confirm again. To create the checkout event, go to your website, select the product and go to Checkout page. From the top URL tab, copy /checkouts, select URL Visits again, select Initiate Checkout in your event, paste the previously copied text on URL contains and confirm. And finally, finish setting up your events. On the TikTok Pixel Setup Guide page, click on Next and you will now see the verifying Pixel setup. Go to Test Events and you will be able to see all the events you have set up in your Events Manager. And now you know how to configure and verify TikTok Pixel events using the Event Builder tool.